In today's video, we're looking into practical ways to save money to be able to afford prepper survival supplies. So let's start by addressing the elephant in the room, inflation. It's way worse than what the mainstream media tells us. Prices have surged 61% faster than the official CPI, even before the Federal Reserve's money printing spree. Bottom line, prices are skyrocketing, and they're likely to climb even more. Now, for most people, stocking up on enough food, water, and supplies to weather any major disaster can be a financial challenge. The average person doesn't have tons of spare cash lying around, especially not these days. So we're going to talk about some ways you can save money on a daily basis, which will allow you to budget for your prepping supplies. Explore Craigslist freebies. Sometimes you can find useful stuff for free. Also, check the Facebook Marketplace. Pack your lunch. Cheaper than buying meals on the go. Learn basic vehicle maintenance. This will save you on mechanic fees. DIY haircuts. Invest in clippers or find a budget-friendly barber. Check sales. Keep an eye on the paper for deals. And also sign up for the app of the stores you shop at so you can check those sales. Make a list. Plan your meals based on what's on sale. Shop less often. Once a week is plenty. Don't ever shop hungry. Avoid impulse buys by eating beforehand. Use coupons wisely. Stick to coupons for things you actually need, and the store apps will have many of these. Buy generic. These are often just as good as the name brands. Calculate the price per unit. Sometimes the smaller sizes are cheaper. Watch for gimmicks. Deals are not always what they seem. Buy in bulk. It saves money, but only if it's something you actually use. Avoid convenience foods. Prepping ingredients yourself is far cheaper. Skip ready-made meals. Cook from scratch when possible for savings and health. Ditch bottled water. Tap water is usually just as good, or invest in a good filtered water pitcher if your tap water isn't the greatest. Cut out flavored drinks. Stick to water for your wallet's sake. Find cheaper alternatives. Swap pricey items for budget-friendly options. Opt for frozen produce. It's usually cheaper than buying fresh. Get store discount cards because you don't want to leave savings on the table. Compare prices. Even with discounts, another store might be cheaper. Use those produce scales. Ensure you're getting what you pay for. Choose deli cold cuts. They're often healthier and cheaper. And again, buy the brand that is on sale. Always check your receipt. Mistakes happen, so review it carefully. Explore secondhand. Thrift stores and flea markets often offer bargains. Save on utilities. Cut down on energy use to reduce your bills. Limit your eating out. Cook at home to save money. Repair instead of replace. Fix things before buying new. Make do with what you have. Take advantage of meat sales. Freeze discounted items for later. Hunt for sales. Gather those ads and shop where it's cheapest. Hit up the yard sales. These are great for bargains on various items. Brew your own coffee. Skip those pricey cafe drinks. Cut back on soda. Save money and improve your health by drinking water. Pay cash. Avoid debt by only buying what you can afford. Opt for walking or biking. You'll save on gas and get some exercise. Reduce your water usage. Conserve water to lower your bill. Grow your own food. A garden can provide lots of fresh produce. Do your own lawn care. Save by skipping those professional services. Meal prep. Spend a day preparing freezer meals for convenience and savings. Delete unused or unnecessary subscriptions. Review your subscription services and cancel the ones you don't use or don't use that often. By adopting these money-saving strategies, you can ease the financial burden of prepping for emergencies while also building some valuable skills for self-reliance. Whether it's cutting back on convenience items, shopping smartly for deals, or embracing DIY approaches, every dollar saved brings you closer to being prepared for whatever challenges come your way.